I just made the most delicious low-fat pizza I've ever eaten in my life. It is so light and delicious and full of flavor. Basically, all you have to do is get plain English muffins. You slice them and you put the larger English muffin as your pizza crust. You put the pizza sauce. I use a low sodium brand. Then you put the mozzarella. I use the little pebble types that they spread around and they melt better. Green pepper, oregano, organic, if you could find it, and Italian seasonings. You put it in the oven for 425 and cook it for 20 minutes, or depending on how your oven varies. You just look and make sure it's not burnt. And it makes the most delicious pizza crust. It's chewy on the inside and crispy on the edges. Out of this world. And it's a great alternative to the pizza crust you buy in the grocery stores because they're often always stale. They don't have a very good shelf life. So for something that is a good alternative and saves on the calories, try it. You'll love it.